Alright guys, so in this video we're going to convert this manual window lever and manual locks to automatic on this '03 Chevy Silverado. Keep watching. Alright, so yeah, as you can see here, we have this universal setup kit here. I went with this kit versus some of the others because I kind of liked this one-lock key fob thing. Here's the harness, the rods, and the door poppers. It came with 4, which I only need 2. Here is the universal window cranks. Comes with the harness, switches, all the hardware, the inserts for the pieces here, and all that. Super simple. So let me get the door panels off here, and then we'll get right to it. Alright, so now that once you get your door panel off, now I wanted to show y'all on this '03 that it has these tabs that slide in. So once you get a few fasteners off, slide the door panel up and it pops up. Don't try to pry it out or you'll break it. But yeah, basically you need to just figure out on your door where's a good location to mount the motor, where you have enough room underneath your panel. And then also, being that this has the door lock thing like right here, this will be even more simpler. Like we can basically hook it to this tab right here, hook the piece right in here, and just make it, it'll be perfect. So a lot simpler than the C1500. Alright, out of all these pieces, you got to keep digging around until you find the right insert here that slides right over the shaft where the handle goes. So once you find the right spline there, and then it's nice and solid, as you can see. Fits pretty tight. So this here basically slides in this, and then you're going to take this snap ring and snap it in here, and it locks it in place. And then from there, you're basically going to take these and keep sticking them on wherever they're needed, like so, to get it tight. And if you wanted to use these little rubber deals, I suggest putting these in first in these holes before you start, because they're kind of a little pain to put in. And then on this door lock, we're gonna see if we can mount this thing, you know, basically like right in here somewhere, if I can get it to clear. Matter of fact, we could even do it like that. I mean, it doesn't matter where, just really where it clears. Could even put it right there where it pulls it. But we'll see what happens. Alright, as you can see here, if you already got like bolts already in here, just attach it to that. But you can see that's pretty solid. We just did 2 arms here and 2 here. So now we will do the power lock. I'm just trying to figure out exactly where I can put it where it doesn't hit the panel. And then we should be good to go. Alrighty guys, it took a little persuading on exactly where to put the door lock, but on this door panel there's like a little indentation here, so I was like, oh, that's perfect. And as you can see here, move this, that's all it's going to do. And then basically I can run my wires right through there, in and out, and then these wires here right through that channel, in and out. And let's show y'all how this goes. Pretty simple, just screw them in. Alright, so when it came to the wiring, I popped these out and just fed it through right in here like this. This is going to go to the switches, which I'm going to hook up to the door panel. And we got this hooked up, and then of course I'll zip tie all this up here after I make sure it all runs. So now we're going to go to the other side and get it going. Alright guys, so we got this side done here, and I've temporarily hooked up the lock so you can see. And here is basically how I installed it over here on the passenger side. Run the wiring through. So that's basically it for that. All this wiring here, I'm basically just going to tuck it up right here where all this other wiring's going all the way down. Alright guys, so on the wiring here, basically just take your meter and find out on this box here on the driver's side. This one has power all the time, so we run it to the door locks. This one has accessory power, run it to the windows. And then just hunt around and find you like a good ground. And then you'll be good to go. So here's the key. Let's put the key off, key on, turn the music off, power windows. That's all there is to it. We'll tuck all this wiring up underneath the dash, and then we'll put the switches. Alright, so the next task is going to be mounting these switches in a way to where it looks like factory. I already noticed there's a little cutout in the door, so I'm basically going to try to stick them right in here together. And they should look like factory. Alright, so basically after you're done, you'll have this little scenario. It'll sit like that, and it'll look just like factory. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. We got our little cap on right here. Got the door handles. Everything's looking good. So thanks for watching the video all the way through. If you got any questions, just leave them down below. This is actually a pretty easy install. I mean, I came across a couple little minor detailed issues, but really wasn't that bad. If you want to try this universal kit, it makes it a little bit more convenient, and you really can't even tell other than just a plug right here. So thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, keep it simple, keep it sweet.